Are you looking for ribs,
You betcha!
burgers, dogs?
Absolutely!
Are you ready for the vegetable butcher? Well, Chef Matt is joining us to share some recipes from his newest cookbook, Butcher on the Block. And for those who think that they can't grill in the city or in the burbs, he has some special tips for you. Chef Matt, welcome to the show.
Hey y'all, I partnered with all these companies to bring you the best grilling experience this Memorial Day and all summer long. Weber's new Lumen electric grill helps those with small outdoor spaces like city dwellers who may not be allowed to use traditional grills enjoy a true outdoor grilling experience. Through a ton of consumer feedback, Weber created an electric grill unlike any other. This highly versatile 5-in-1 outdoor electric grill sears, smokes, steams, warms, and even defrosts food. I can sear kebabs at 600 degrees and steam green beans at the same time. It's compact and comes in a variety of colors like these. Now, to elevate your summer dishes with bold new Mexican flavors, add one of my new go-to pantry staples, Herdez Chipotle Salsa Cremosa. Just pour this creamy, versatile salsa over grilled shrimp. You can also use it with chicken and pork. Herdez traditional guacamole is made with clean, simple ingredients, following an authentic Mexican recipe handed down for generations. You can also impress your guests with a grilled shrimp tostada. Just top a tortilla with the shrimp, then add the guac and some cilantro. Check your grocery store for these and other delicious ways Herdez can make gatherings more memorable. Now, one of my favorite sides is Bush's Baked Beans, the sure side of a good time. Bush's Baked Beans have a distinct yet complementary flavor that pairs perfectly with hamburgers and hot dogs, and whether you're opening a can of original or brown sugar hickory or any other variety, it's like opening a can of summer. They also have a new recipe, Bush's zero sugar added baked beans. Same iconic flavor you love, but without the added sugar. Now, here's my chef's tip this Memorial Day or anytime you're grilling. Ditch the greasy chips for one of my favorite snacks, wonderful pistachios. Their No Shells product line has a ton of varieties like chili roasted, honey roasted, sea salt and vinegar, and smoky barbecue. And this summer, Wonderful Pistachios just released a No Shells sea salt and pepper flavor. With 6 grams of protein per serving, they're healthy and flavorful. And my new book, Butcher on the Block, is now out just in time for barbecue and grilling season. The book features over 125 recipes, including meat, game, seafood, and vegetables too. Pick up a copy wherever they're sold, and for more information on all the recipes, head to dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks for joining us, Chef.